put Urea HTSC because in 2004 I was sponsored by they hired me from California as a foreign professor, and I worked here in University of Agriculture up to 10. And this is my okay because we have a lot of time in this case. Then C. elegans, it is as a model in case of molecular biology, and this was discovered by this gentleman. Sir, पानी है? Okay, now importance of nematodes in animal parasite. I like biryani, then I take biryani. So these will the nematodes find the proper feeding site. Either I have to feed on root tip, on cortical tissue, or on epidermis. Because I told you there are epidermal feeder, vascular feeder, and cortical feeder. So that is the preference. Then the local wide means very. The local penetration means on one plate. The penetration. Then when they found, they start grabbing for this one. Then they consider that point and they start entering. Then establish feeding sites. Feeding sites are very important in this case because this is when, please listen to me. Listen to me. They, on the feeding side, अजर तो नहीं है क्या ठीक okay I'm sorry for that anyway okay then they establish feeding. Establish feeding is very important. I would say just is like that when they establish this one, then the food flow from that one into that part because think of this one. From that one it can get the food of this one. Then that is the established feeding. Then destructive changes. So there are some destructive changes. For example, the deer and nematode when move, it is moving and it go on killing the tissues. Then there are adaptive changes, competitive action and non-competitive. Let me go on this slide. If you look here, this is a nematode which feeds on the root tips. I will explain how they do it. Then this is the Heterodera cyst nematode. In this case, only the mouth is here, and this is the feeding site, this one. And this is the female, and this is the gelatin male with the eggs they are born. Okay, this is the root knot nematode. This is the feeding site of this one. This both are the sedentary. When they have the feeding site, and they have adapters them, they become sedentary. Now, look on this one. This is the root layer nematode, this one. And you see it is moving. It kills this one, it kills this one. Then there is a ring nematode in this case. It has a very long spear and the knobs are there and just sit there and just insert the spear and go and getting the food from this one. Oh. Now, plant feeding nematodes cause what to do it? Cause mechanical injury to cells and tissues. When they provide the avenue for the soil pathogens. For example, fungi, especially fusarium and the verticillium, because they cause the wilt and also the bacterium. Cause cell death development, as I showed you in this case, the also affect this one. Modify death cell division. For example, in case of the Heterodera and also the root nematode, they form the adaptive cell. The cell walls disintegrate and they become the single chamber. In one apartment, all the apartment become destroyed, and then only one. That are destructive changes, modified cell function and water nutrients. Mean modified cell function. Why? When they have the feeding sites, all the food it flow to this one, and all the starch and all the same minerals they are reduced in this case. So this is water and nutrients development. Disrupt uptake of water and nutrients. Okay, one thing is there are two ways in this case because the nematodes when sit on the, if you look how the water goes, It goes from the epidermis to the cortical tissue and to the vascular. Because from the epidermis, it goes to cortical tissue to the circular, the vascular system. When the nematode, root and nematode, it sit on the in the vascular system. It block it, and so also it also the adaptive changes. The water cannot go. It go very slowly on this floor. So that is the uptake in water. After photosynthesis partitioning, also in this case the photosynthesis system, because when the nematode they send the toxin in this case, and also the water is test, and so the photosynthesis is effective. Create avenue of ingress, I told you, predispose plants to other stress. So in this case, we saw, I remember the year, because if you show in case of Quetta and RCB and the temperature goes up more than 650. When there is a 50 temperature and nematode of this one, it breaks the resistance. The resistance becomes susceptible. So that is very important in this case. That is the temperature stress. Even the effect in the nematode, even the winter stress, they cannot tolerate in this case. Nematode sign and symptom. What they do in this case?